Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is my cheese space, and today I'm going to be making a bonnet. You get your material, which I've already cut into a wide circle. If you want to know how to cut a circle, you can just view my other videos. And then you measure 10.5 inches. The 5 is for allowance. And the band, I'm going to be taking 22 inches, and the breadth is going to be 6 inches. The length 22 and the breadth 6 inches. Then I will go over to sew my band into two, just as you can see there in the video. I'll sew it straight into two, and I've done it. Now I'm going to try and join the upper side and the down side of my band together, and then I will just, to straight, I'll sew through the round band, that places that I've already joined. I'm going to sew through just like that, as you can see in the video. Already sewing it through, and I will trim the excesses of the band, and that's it. My band is finished. I will have to move over to the material. I will be pinning it. I know that some people actually use their machine to make it, join they use their machine to join the up side and the down side as the band and the material, but I'll be pinning mine to make sure that those printed sides come out very well. As you can see, I'm done. It takes a very long process, but at the end of the day, it's good. And then I'll just move right to the sewing machine and then sew them together. I'll make sure that as I'm sewing, I'm removing my pins in order not to, cause any casualties. And then I'll continue sewing and removing my pins, just as you can see, and voila, I'm done. Next, you have to also trim this in your sewn side, and that's just it. I am done with my bonnet. It didn't take too much. Thank you for viewing this video to the end, and please do well to like and subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.